So guys, my husband is in the kitchen today. He's making dinner for us. So tell the people, what are you cooking today?
I'm making potatoes for potato salads right now, which you can see. So I'm getting my potatoes all prepped up and ready for boiling. And then I got some carrots. I'm gonna make some real badman carrot juice today with dragon and all them thing and all them thing and all them thing in there. So stick around, alright? Cool. Okay peeps, so this is my potato all cut up and ready for boiling, okay? So this is the second phase right here. So stick around. Okay peeps, so like I said, this is how we roll. We got our peas going on here, yeah. So we call it a simmer down, touch down. So right now we're pretty much getting the peas tenderized. So we're just gonna check it, look at that, boom. Ready. All right, so stick around for the next step, okay?
And guys, we already have a full video of rice and peas video, so that's why we didn't show you from the beginning. So we'll leave the link up above where you can go and check it out.
All right, so here we go. Rice all washed up and ready to enter the peas. So here we go. It's so good, you can't even, you don't want to waste a grain, you know, you can't waste a grain of rice, you gotta get it all. All right, so rice, combining your rice and your peas together, give it a little stir. We're gonna cover down and allow that to bubble for a little bit. And there I got my potatoes from my salad bubbling and my carrots almost there. It's getting there, almost there. So that's how we roll, okay? So those are my Irish potatoes, all boiled and ready. Remember, you don't want to boil them too soft. You're making a salad, but you still want to have them a little bit whole, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put them to cool down. I'm not gonna stick them in my refrigerator because that's dangerous. So I stick them right there, room temp, and then later I'll pop them in the fridge for cooling down. Okay, so I got all my herbs and spice here all washed up. Remember people, wash your vegetables, you never know what's crawling. Okay, all washed and ready here, and I'm cutting up. I'm gonna combine all of these together, and then I'll be adding them to my pork and my chicken. I got my pork and my chicken, my pork and my chicken. Yeah. This is how we do it. Yeah. Look at this. Can't cook without this. Look at this. You think you can cook without this? No. Look at this. Can you cook without this? No. Look at this. You can cook without this? Well, yeah.
Whatever. No for me. We can't cook without it. I love my pepper.
Yeah, I used to love my spice, people, but right now my stomach can't take it too much. But you know, to please the crowd, I still do a little bit. I use a little bit. Yeah, and don't do this at home. I'm a pro. Look at this.
Whatever.
Yeah, don't do this at home.
You're so annoying.
Yeah, that's the time. What time of day it is? Time for cooking. And this is the herb that, you know, got a lot of name, you know, scallion, Escallion, green onion, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you call it whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Okay, again, people, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is the pork O-R-K. Don't tell anybody, okay?
Cook the man not have a nice job.
Alright, so I'm just cutting up. Getting her ready up. This is such a beautiful piece of meat, you know what I'm saying? all washed and cut up. Yeah, good to go. That's how we roll, yeah? All right. So, this is in the preparation state of the meats. Okay, I got the pork and I got the chicken. Can you see? Can you see me now? Okay, so I'm just applying some seasoning. I'm not gonna advertise what seasoning I'm using because you know these company here, you know how their hands shut real tight? Yeah, so it's seasoning. That's all I'm gonna tell you for now. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And these seasons, they're pretty salty, so you don't really want to mess with the salt while you're working with these seasons, okay? So we're just doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yeah, I'm not gonna advertise no company season. They you know what they gotta do in order for that to happen. Yeah, I got a little country pepper in my mix up, but I'm still using a little pepper flakes just to make sure, you know. Not too much, just a touch. That's a goner. That's a goner.
Jerk season, I done one.
Hmm?
Jerk season, I finish. I forgot.
Yeah, because we jerk a lot. So I mean, if we jerk a lot, then it's all in the making. You know what I'm saying?
You're not telling me, Brenda. Just tell them which season you use.
Oh yeah, this is a chicken season. Chicken season. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you know, season is season.
What a planka.
Yep. All right, let me get a spoon so I can. All right, here we go. This is a jerk season, Jamaican jerk season. All right, this is a magic right here.
Is it the spicy or more?
It is the spicy one. All right, so you just apply a little bit of this because you got this. Yeah, so you don't want too much of this. But this is spicy. Alright, so we're gonna apply some browning now. And this is just for giving your chicken a nice dark look. Okay, not a burn look, just a nice dark look. So you just touch a little bit. And over here, touch a little bit more. Yeah, I got this down in here because it's a big pan. It's a lot of chicken, so it's a big pan, you know, so yeah. That's how the cookie crumble. And this is the real deal now. All my herbs and spice chopped up. Scallion, onion, you know, I show you in the video. Garlic, all of that and all of that and all of that. I'm gonna put a little here, put a little there.
Put more up on the chicken.
And then you put the rest of it right here because there's more chicken. Chop too much, you know. If I didn't decide that.
You know, so I'm gonna edit out the part when I keep people them hear when you talk to me.
Yeah, so I'm rubbing it in. Otherwise, I'm mixing it up, yeah? Rub that seasoning. And you notice I didn't apply too much browning in the beginning, so I rub it in first and then I'll know if it needs more or not. So yeah, this, yes, definitely need a little touch. Alright, so we're rolling. So don't get it twisted. All the critics out there, don't get it twisted. This is my left hand. This is my right hand. Right hand did the chicken, left hand doing the pork. You don't say a word. Okay. Yeah, I know you are looking for something to talk about. But at the end of the day, we ain't running a restaurant, so it is what it is. Yeah, this is lovely. This is lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Okay. This is the next step. Meat already going into the oven. The wife says she wants some on the grill, so we're gonna do a indoor grill style. Okay, so I got some regular in a tray. I'm gonna sit in the oven, and then we're gonna do it the wife's way. So she says she wants the grill marks on it, so we're gonna give her some grill marks. All right, then remember, no, you can't lift. Don't leave this out. This is the goodies right here. Can't leave it out. Yeah. So just in case you're wondering, I greased the bottom of my pan. I didn't pour any oil in it. I just greased the bottom just to avoid the stickiness. Put my chicken in, and I'm pouring the goodness in it because I'm gonna need that juice later anyway. So we're going in the oven. Going in the oven. And we're in the oven. Yeah, so we're on a roll right now. Back to the potato salad. I'm putting in a little something in it, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of green onion. Some red, green, and gold up in there, you know, bell peppers. And just a little splash black pepper. Just a little splash, nothing too much. And some mayo. I mean, I don't do eggs, so we're not gonna have any eggs up in here. I mean, for some people, they would maybe pop some, you know, green peas, sweet green peas in it and all of that. Make it all fancy and all of that, but yeah, doing it simple, easy does it. Yeah, I don't eat eggs. My wife don't eat eggs, you know, a couple of us don't eat eggs, so yeah. A little simpler roll. Alright, after you do this now, then take a little taste, because you want to know what you need, what you don't. So just a little taste. Right, so what you need now is some flavor. Right. Here we go. Little bit of salt for flavor. You want to see that salt you're putting in, so you hold it high so you can see what's coming in. Bam. And a little more black pepper. Bam. And you mix it in again. Yeah, so we're just doing a little decoration with the cucumber. You know, you just cut off a piece of cucumber, cut it, and do your thing. Just a little presentation, you know, a little extra setting. You know how we roll. Alright, so I got some potato salad. Look at that. And I got some cucumbers decorated with some tomato wedges. And I got more coming up for sure. Alright, so there we have it. Rice and peas, cheese, jerk pork, jerk chicken on the grill, jerk chicken in a pan. One's wet, one's dry, and there goes my special sauce. That's the boss. All right, so I'm putting on the finishing touch. Final touch, right about now. Right about now. Right about now. So we got jerk chicken, jerk pork, mashed potato salad, cucumber, tomatoes, and we ready to roll the rice and peas.
Nice and hot and steamy.
Yeah.
So is this my plate?
That's how we roll. No, this is our plate. Yeah, that's your plate, of course. All right, so people, that's how we do it. Just remember to like, share, and subscribe. How we roll all the time, yeah?
So that's it for today's video. This was my husband cooking vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay safe, show some love. Bye guys, happy
Let's do it
Sunday.
again and again and again and again.